Hi there, students. Maudlin. Maudlin. It's an adjective. Maudlinly, an adverb. Maudlinness. Okay, this is when somebody is sad and depressed. They're full of self-pity and extremely sentimental, particularly when they're drunk. He maudlinly sat there with a drink thinking about his problems. When he drinks, he becomes extremely maudlin. Or to quote Aldous Huxley, displayed an almost maudlin concern for the welfare of animals. Okay, so if somebody is maudlin, normally they're depressed. They feel really sorry for themselves. Yeah, you know, this depressed drunk. Oh, everything's so bad. Come on, stop being so maudlin. You've got a lot going for you. You live it in the first world, and yet you're maudlin about your problems. Yeah, you've got nothing really to be maudlin about. I think you can also use maudlin where somebody is very affectionate or sentimental in an effusive way. You know, when people get drunk and you're suddenly their best friend. You could also use maudlin in this way, but I think it's much more normal when somebody's depressed, they're excessively sentimental and self-pitying. Oh, things are so terrible, they'll never get better. Yeah, he sat there and maudlinly thought about his past. His maudlinness made me really rather angry. I wish he wouldn't be so maudlin. Yeah, he gets maudlin after he's had a few drinks. Mawkish as well is quite a good word. Mawkish. So yes, somebody who's depressed, down, sad, self-pitying. Oh my God, my things are so bad for me. I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah, and particularly if they're rather drunk. Okay, so maudlin. How formal is this word maudlin? I think I would probably give it 6.5 in formality. You could maybe just about use it in an informal conversation, but it sounds very, very literary. I think I would qualify this as a literary word. Be a good word for a description of somebody in an essay. And then the origin of this comes from Mary Magdalene, who was the mother of Jesus. And what's actually interesting, if you go to Oxford, there's a college called Maudlin College, but it's written Magdalen College. And only Oxford people call it Maudlin College. It's the old-fashioned pronunciation. Okay, so Maudlin comes from Mary Maudlin, and she's typically shown crying for her son. Okay, so yeah, if somebody is maudlin, they're overwrought, they're feeling really sad for themselves. Yeah, they're just sorry for themselves, and particularly because they're drunk. Yeah, you know what drunk people are like. Alcohol changes the way people see the world, or it changes the way they feel their emotions. The decoration of the house was so maudlin, it was all grey and black. The music was incredibly maudlin and depressing. Yeah, it was downbeat. He has a very maudlin attitude. The book described the maudlin feelings of somebody who felt suicidal. Okay, so maudlin, very depressed, very unhappy and sorry for themselves, yeah? Probably when they shouldn't be. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Maudlin, maudlinly, maudlinness.